So our next diagram is to draw a perfect substitute like this. Okay, so you can see it's a two good world, x and y, and x and y, you have to consume the minimum unit. Okay, so you consume 1 unit of both, the same as consume you have 2 units of x and 1 unit of y. So this y you have this kind of shape, and same for if you have 2 units of both, either you increase x or y, doesn't change anything. So let's draw this. We first load a graph paper. You don't have to load it, but just for the convenience of our comparison. Okay, so now first draw the axis. So we draw it from 0, 0 to x-axis towards the end. Let's draw up to 7. And again, we want this a very thick line, so a thick line, and we want an arrow, because at the end of arrow, and at the end of the arrow we have a note. So we have a note on the right hand side, which we have x here. We have a dollar sign to denote it is x. Okay, let's compile it, and let's see what happened. And then we have a line from 0 up to 7 of x here, and then we want now we want to draw the vertical y. Again, we want from 0 to 0 up to 0, 7, because it is at the end is 0, 7, and have a semicolon. And again, we want it to be a thick line, and we want an arrow the same. Okay, and next thing to do is at the end with a note. Okay, on the above of it, you want to put a y there. Okay, so these two we complete the axis. Oh, it's fake THICK, so typo. So here we have so this. Okay, up to 7. Okay, now we need to draw this indifference curve. Okay, and let's draw it. Okay, we can draw it from 7, 0, or maybe 6, 0, 6, 0 to 6, 1, 1, 6 to 1, 1. Okay, and this will give us the first vertical line, as you see, from 6, 1, okay, to 1, 1. And then we can also draw from 1, 1, okay, to 1, 6, so 6, 1. Okay, and this will complete this line. Okay, and actually can simplify the code because they have the same, the first line, the end point same the starting point, so you can just continue. Okay, TikZ is very smart, so you can do different line segment together if they're connected. Okay, so we draw the first one. We can also do the second one. Okay, the second is similar, but you move from 1 to 2. Okay, the first one is 2, 2, 6, and it's 2, 2. Okay, the second one is 2, 2 here, is 2 here, 2, 6 to this 2, 2, and then to 6, 2. Okay, so once you draw it, you have this one, and then you have the other one, 3, 3, 3, 3, because 3, 6, right? To 3, 3 to 6, 3. So that's almost it, And then let's now remove the graph paper. Okay, so this will be the final diagram we want to have. Okay, so this diagram we want to have. And sometimes you really want put a U there because in difference curve you may say note on the right hand side, say you may want say U1, okay, for the first line, and let's see the answer there. Let's see the graph output first, and then you may want to say U2 and U3 represent the indifference curve of different level, maybe U1, U2, U3. Okay, so if you like this, then it will be there will be 3 lines there. Okay, so this is the what we call the perfect complement. You need both of the same unit, and then this is indifference curve. Okay, so you can keep drawing. Okay, so this will be the perfect complement case. Okay, so it should be perfect complement. Okay, so so thank you.